Today, the Nissan Juke and what your tyre pressures should be. Oh man, I really should get a grip. Anyway, I'm hoping that if this video does really well, I'll be able to re-tyre. So anyway, depending on what kind of, actually that joke went a bit flat. Depending on what size wheels and tyres you've got will depend on what the pressures are. And I'm going to be referring to everything today in PSI. So first of all, let's look at the front tyre. So if you've got any of these tyres, 205s, 215s, 225s, then you will need to pump up the tyre to 33 PSI. And on the rear, if you've got 205s, 215s or 225s, then the rear needs to be at 30 PSI. And the spare tyre, which is a skinny little thing, you need that to be 60 PSI. So after all that hard work on the Nissan Juke, I think it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you're going to be working on the motor, always have a lovely cup of tea.
Hey, careful, man. There's a beverage here, huh?
Hey guys and girls, if you found that video useful, then please subscribe by pressing this button down here for more how-tos, life hacks and helpful tips. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be cool. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel.